DNA replication is the process by which a cell makes an exact copy of its DNA before division. This copying is not optional, it is essential. Every new cell must inherit the same genetic instructions, or life would collapse within a single generation. Replication occurs during the S phase of the cell cycle and follows one central rule: DNA copies itself using complementary base pairing. The process begins at specific locations on the DNA called origins of replication. Here, an enzyme named helicase acts like a molecular zipper. It breaks the hydrogen bonds between base pairs and separates the two strands, creating a replication fork. Each original strand now serves as a template, which is why replication is described as semiconservative. Every new DNA molecule contains one old strand and one newly synthesized strand. Once the strands are separated, single-strand binding proteins stabilize them so they do not snap back together. Another enzyme, primase, then lays down a short RNA primer. DNA polymerase cannot start copying on its own, it needs this primer to provide a starting point. From here, DNA polymerase begins adding new nucleotides, matching A with T and G with C, always building the strand in the 5'3" direction. This directionality creates an important asymmetry. On one strand, called the leading strand, synthesis is continuous and smooth. On the opposite strand, called the lagging strand, DNA is made in short fragments known as Okazaki fragments. These fragments are later joined together by DNA ligase, forming one continuous strand. As replication proceeds, proofreading mechanisms continuously check for errors. DNA polymerase itself can correct many mistakes immediately, making replication remarkably accurate, often with fewer than one error per billion nucleotides. This precision is critical, because even small errors can lead to mutations with serious consequences. In essence, DNA replication is not just copying, it is controlled, directional, enzyme-driven information transfer. It is the molecular reason heredity works, evolution is possible, and life continues with stability across generations.